So yeah, we got to record this song that I made the other day. It's a little bit, a little something. I want to make something a little quick, something to hold you over, little something to hold you over. Ooh, look, my mic is trying to fall down. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Get right there. Look at that, just falling, just a falling. I don't know what's going on. Let me fix it real quick. Alright, since I got everything fixed, let's do this thing. Let's do it. Behind the scenes, you know I'm a 90s baby, so yeah, you know. Behind the scenes, here we go. Not your ordinary bitch, I'm rude with it. Slapping ass, pulling hair, make a drool. Look at for you, don't you make me wait. Oh, you mad cause I gave away the cupcake? She my favorite now. She begging me to wipe her down. She say, mommy, zip me, cut your drip on my foot, make come on the ground. I'll show you why they come with Bobby. I stay hungry, bitch. None of them pennies tossing need some hit right now. What you waiting for, please? How you swallow my kids if you ain't down your knees? Slurp, every drop. From the top, booty busting on the bread while I make the booty pop. Please, man, I slap my DMs if you ain't never learned to swim. Don't need a girlfriend for feelings. Don't type her down. Blip, bitch, I can't breathe. I don't give a shit. I know that girl thought she got me rocking my hips. Bounce. Ask like thunder, hero back. Just run that back real quick. Run it back. Here we go. Gotta add this. Shawty, I want your body. Here's another one. Not your ordinary, I'm rude with it. Slapping, pulling, make her chew a little bit. Oh, you mad? She my favorite now. She say my music make her drip on my foot flick. Show you why they come with Bobby. No, knees, what you waiting for? Please, bitch, please. On your knees. Voila. Please, man, don't slide my DMs if you ain't never learned to swim. Don't need a girlfriend for feelings. No diaper. Down, glip. I don't give a rocking my hips. Bounce. Nasty. She grinding on my perfect. Yeah. Pop it. Makeup for this video because I don't trust nobody with my eyebrows. Ooh. Yes, eyebrows, almost there. Don't need much when I do my makeup. It's just my eyebrows, they're just non-existing. I got one eyelash on, 8 lashes. So look at that. Look at it. Sticking. Gotta clean that up. It's freaking crazy. I never have problems with my lashes on, but today, when I want to be great, they don't want to be great. Don't want to cooperate. I go all up in my eye. Look at this. Glue all up in my eye. So I got my makeup on and look great. Or you can't really tell because the lights are dim. It's a mess up in here. This is the dirtiest my room's ever been. It's ridiculous. Just ridiculous. For no reason. Yeah, there you go. The beauty has been unfolded. So I'm about to do this last take real quick. And then put it all together. Y'all get to see the final project. That's what we're gonna call it. I got to open my door open. Dealing with right now, my titties are popping out of my shit. My shirt. Trying to do a bootleg video is very hard. I give it up to everybody who does their own videos, man. This is hard crap. Trying to do everything, but not everything. Okay, this is gonna have to work. It's really hot. I can't. We're about to sweat this beautiful face off. Way too fast. Gotta slow down. Slow down. Way too fast. ordinary bitch, I'm rude with it. Slapping ass, pulling hair, make her drool. The best for you, don't you make me wait. Oh, you mad cause I gave away the cupcake? She my favorite now. She begging me to wipe her down. She say my music make her drip on my foot and come on and cry. Show you why they call me Poppy. I stay hungry, bitch. No need no plenty sauce and need some hit right now. What you waiting for, please? How you swallow my kids if you ain't down on your knees? Slip, if you drop, bring it back from the top. Booty bouncing on her breast while I make this pussy pop. Please man outside my DMs if you ain't never learned to swim. No need a girlfriend for feelings, no time for them. Glow up, bitch, I can't breathe, I don't give a shit. Damn, I knew that girl was thirsty, got me rocking my hips. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Ass call like thunder, hear her echo through the house. Nasty shit, she grinding on my tongue and licking my lips. If you can't blow my back, let me save you a trip. But really, I need a sexy girl to come and chew up on my bubble gum. Skip the small talk, shut the fuck up, give me some time. Work your body out, it don't hurt nobody out, it ain't got no kids, but your girl call me Bobby.